Hi, I'm Bridget Leary, standing in for the vacationing Randy Reed. It's todayinlighting.com, Friday, 16 May. We are sponsored by Amerlux. Discover the innovative Hornet 2.5 monolithic downlight family where cutting-edge design meets exceptional performance. If you enjoyed Today in Lighting, please do hit the like button. Here are the stories making news. Boca Lighting offers US-made LED boards to help lighting manufacturers avoid increasing tariffs and supply chain delays, providing rapid, reliable, and tariff-free production with state-of-the-art facilities and domestic engineering support. Learn more on edisonreport.com. DarkSky International is now accepting submissions for their Capture the Night 2025 photography competition to celebrate the night and build awareness about the growth of light pollution. Entries are open until 30 June, followed by voting from 1 to 21 July. More information on categories and rules can be found on edisonreport.com. Circular Lighting Live 2025, the UK's premier sustainable lighting event, returns with new features, expert talks, expanded exhibits, and innovation showcases, offering vital insights and inspiration for professionals navigating a fast-changing circular lighting industry. Visit edisonreport.com for registration details. The latest Wild newsletter features President Alessa Aguayo's inspiring experience at the Women in Male-Dominated Industries event, hosted by Delta and the Yankees. Other highlights include upcoming events, an after-hours member spotlight, recent news, and more. Visit designinglighting.com to read further. Yesterday, the Dow was up 272, the NASDAQ was down 34, and AMS Osram was down almost 6%. That's it. Go light up the world. Have a great day, and pray for peace.